In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report scams on eBay. This process is essential in ensuring a safe and secure online shopping experience for all users. eBay has set up a straightforward way to report suspicious activity, and I'm here to guide you through each step of the process. To start, open up your preferred web browser and go to eBay's website by entering ebay.com in the address bar. This will lead you straight to their homepage, where the adventure begins. You'll want to navigate through your recent purchases or listings you're suspicious of. Once you find the item in question, click on it to open the detailed listing page. This is where you'll find all the pertinent information about the product and the seller. Now, when you're on the item page, focus your attention on the area under the seller's name. You should see an option labeled Contact Seller. Clicking on this link will direct you to a new page designed for direct communication with the seller. Keep in mind, this is the path we'll take to initiate contact or report any concerns. Once the Contact Seller page is open, you'll be prompted with several options. Look for a three-dot icon, often located near the top right-hand side of the communication panel. In today's interface world, these icons typically reveal a drop-down menu. Upon clicking on it, you'll see an option labeled Report Message. When you select Report Message, eBay offers a few choices related to the nature of the issue you're experiencing. For scams, you want to select the option clearly marked as Scam. It's crucial to be precise when choosing the reason for your report because eBay will respond and take action based on this selection. After choosing Scam, verify that all the provided information is accurate and comprehensive. The final step in this reporting structure is to click Send. By doing this, you submit your report to eBay's team of experts for review. They will assess the situation and take appropriate measures to address the issue. It's a simple, yet powerful way to contribute towards a safer community for buyers and sellers. And there you have it. You've successfully reported a scam on eBay. Remember that reporting fraudulent activity not only protects you, but also helps others from falling victim to the same scams. Keep these steps in mind anytime you come across suspicious activities on eBay. Don't hesitate to take action. Your vigilance is crucial in maintaining a secure online marketplace. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and check out our other videos for more useful tips. Thank you for watching, and stay safe out there.